In this video, I'll show you how to delete all call recordings from Android phone. So if you want to find out and delete all the call recordings from your device, then here's the easiest guide of how you can do this process. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Also, now to delete all call recordings from your Android phone, simply go and open up the phone application from your device, and from the home page, go and tap on this three dot line at the top left, and then go and tap on settings here. And once you're here inside the settings, you just need to scroll down, tap on call recording. He'll get us to the second option, delete all call recordings. I have two recordings here, so here it's going to show you all the call recordings that you have on your device. You just need to tap on delete all call recordings now, and this can preview the prompt delete all recordings. You just need to tap on this delete button, and all the call recordings that you have on your device will be deleted permanently from your device. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.